Welcome to our exploration of the world's most significant natural medicines that are not produced on a large scale. In the heart of dense rainforests, on windswept mountain slopes, and across arid plains, lie hidden treasures, plants with extraordinary healing properties. These rare and powerful remedies have been used for centuries, passed down through generations of traditional healers. Yet their very existence is often precarious. Overharvesting, driven by surging global demand, can decimate plant populations faster than they can replenish. Habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and climate change further exacerbates their plight. Join us now as we journey to some of the most remote corners of the earth to uncover the stories of these remarkable plants, understand the challenges they face, and explore how we can help safeguard their future. Deep within the rainforests of Southeast Asia grows a tree shrouded in legend and prized for its captivating aroma. Agarwood. For millennia, its resin has been sought after for incense and traditional medicines. When the Aquilaria tree is wounded, it secretes a dark, aromatic resin as a defense mechanism. This resin, known as oud, is one of the most expensive natural raw materials in the world. The finest oud has a complex, intoxicating aroma, a tapestry of woody, sweet, and balsamic notes. Its rarity has fueled a thriving trade, but at a cost. Overharvesting has driven many species to the brink of extinction. Sustainable harvesting methods offer hope for the future of this ancient treasure. Along the banks of rivers and streams across Africa, we find a tree whose bark has provided pain relief for generations, the African willow. Its medicinal properties stem from a compound called salicin, a natural precursor to aspirin. Traditional healers have long recognized the power of the African willow bark to ease headaches, reduce fevers, and soothe inflammation. Its bark is harvested carefully, often in small strips to allow the tree to heal and regenerate. However, as demand for natural remedies grows, so too does the pressure on wild populations of African willow. Unsustainable harvesting practices, where entire trees are felled for their bark, threaten the long-term survival of this valuable species. Promoting sustainable harvesting techniques and supporting local communities in their conservation efforts is crucial to ensuring the African willow continues to provide its healing benefits for generations to come. For centuries, the intoxicating aroma of sandalwood has permeated temples and homes across India, its scent synonymous with spirituality and tradition. But this iconic tree, once revered for its fragrant heartwood, now faces an uncertain future. Sandalwood oil, extracted from the heartwood of mature trees, is highly prized for its therapeutic properties and use in perfumes, incense, and traditional medicines. However, its allure has come at a steep price. Overharvesting, driven by insatiable demand and lucrative profits, has decimated sandalwood populations across its natural range. Illegal logging and habitat loss further compound the threat to this iconic species. In response to these challenges, conservation efforts are underway to protect remaining wild populations and promote sustainable sandalwood plantations. By valuing quality over quantity and supporting ethical sourcing practices, we can help ensure the sacred scent of sandalwood continues to grace our world. Chapter 4. Beneath the towering canopy of ancient forests, a hidden world of medicinal plants thrives. These wild-crafted wonders, often overlooked, hold remarkable healing properties. Plants like golden seal, with its vibrant yellow roots, and echinacea, with its striking purple flowers, have been used for centuries by indigenous communities. Golden seal, once abundant in the forests of North America, is now threatened by overharvesting and habitat loss. Its slow growth cycle and specific habitat requirements make it particularly vulnerable. Echinacea, known for its immune-boosting properties, faces similar challenges. As demand for natural remedies surges, it's crucial that we harvest these plants responsibly to ensure their long-term survival. Supporting sustainable wildcrafting practices, promoting cultivation efforts, and respecting the delicate balance of nature are essential to safeguarding these botanical treasures for future generations. Chapter 5. In the arid lands of the Arabian Peninsula and Horn of Africa grows the prized frankincense tree. Its resin, olibanum, has been traded for centuries, integral to ceremonies and medicines. Harvested by tapping, the sap hardens into fragrant tears. However, overharvesting and habitat loss threaten its future. Sustainable practices and reforestation are vital for its survival. Chapter 6. High in the Himalayas, on the slopes of the world's highest mountain range, grows a coniferous tree that holds immense medicinal value, the Himalayan yew. Its bark contains a compound called paclitaxel, a potent anti-cancer agent. The discovery of paclitaxel's medicinal properties sparked a surge in demand, leading to widespread overharvesting of the Himalayan yew. Stripping the bark from mature trees often proved fatal, decimating populations across its range. Recognizing the urgent need for conservation, researchers began exploring alternative methods of obtaining paclitaxel, including developing semi-synthetic versions and cultivating yew trees. The story of the Himalayan yew serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance between utilizing nature's pharmacy and ensuring its long-term survival. It highlights the importance of scientific research, sustainable harvesting practices, and international collaboration in safeguarding these vital resources. Chapter 7. Ginseng, the root of strength. For centuries, the gnarled roots of the ginseng plant have been revered in traditional Chinese medicine, believed to hold the key to vitality and longevity. Wild ginseng in particular is highly sought after, its slow growth in the wild contributing to its potency and value. However, the pursuit of this botanical treasure has come at a cost. Overharvesting, fueled by insatiable demand and lucrative profits, has driven wild ginseng populations to the brink in many parts of the world. Habitat loss due to deforestation and unsustainable agricultural practices further exacerbates the plight of this slow-growing plant. As wild populations dwindle, the pressure mounts on remaining stands of this valuable species. Protecting remaining wild populations, promoting sustainable harvesting practices, and supporting cultivation efforts are crucial to ensuring future generations can benefit from the remarkable properties of ginseng. Across the arid landscapes of China and Mongolia, a resilient shrub known as mahuang has thrived for millennia. Revered in traditional Chinese medicine for its ability to alleviate respiratory ailments, mahuang contains a powerful compound ephedrine. Ephedrine, a stimulant, can be effective in treating asthma and other respiratory conditions. However, its potency also comes with risks. Overuse or misuse of mahuang can lead to adverse side effects, highlighting the importance of careful dosage and guidance from qualified practitioners. Overharvesting of wild mahuang populations, coupled with concerns over its potential for misuse, has led to stricter regulations regarding its trade and use. Sustainable harvesting practices and responsible cultivation efforts are crucial to ensuring the long-term availability of this powerful plant. In the high-altitude regions of the Arctic and mountainous regions of Europe and Asia, Rhodiola rosea, also known as golden root, thrives in harsh conditions. Used for centuries by indigenous communities, it helps combat fatigue and enhance mental clarity. Its adaptogenic properties make it a popular natural remedy for stress and anxiety. However, growing demand raises sustainability concerns. Slow growth and specific habitat needs make it vulnerable to overharvesting. Unsustainable practices can decimate populations. Promoting sustainable harvesting and cultivation is essential. Respecting nature ensures Rhodiola rosea thrives for future generations. Deep within the Amazon rainforest, a woody vine known as cat's claw winds its way up the trunks of towering trees. Named for the hooked thorns that resemble a cat's claws, this plant has been used for centuries by indigenous communities for its remarkable healing properties. Cat's claw is revered for its ability to support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain. Its bark and roots contain potent compounds that have shown promise in treating a range of ailments. However, the increasing demand for cat's claw has raised concerns about its sustainability. Unsustainable harvesting practices, driven by short-term profits, threaten the long-term survival of this valuable plant. Protecting the Amazon rainforest, promoting sustainable harvesting practices, and supporting fair trade initiatives are crucial to ensuring the medicinal treasures of cat's claw remain available for future generations. As we've journeyed across the globe, from ancient forests to arid deserts. One message is clear. The future of natural medicines hangs in the balance. Sustainability issues, regulatory restrictions, and ecological concerns limit their production. Overharvesting and habitat loss pose significant threats. Responsible cultivation and ethical sourcing can help preserve these treasures. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share,